going to be washing my hair, of course, with some Shea Moisture. This is one of my favorites, the Manuka honey and Mufura oil, and I just have the conditioner. Not quite sure what I'm going to try this drink. I don't want to gag from it. Sounds nasty, but it may be good. So I'm going to wash this out. Okay, it's all washed out. Didn't mess my makeup up too bad. That's alright. Let's see. This is what we have. My hair seems to be, I don't know, like the curls are popping. It doesn't seem to be as dry as it normally is after a tell y'all, the rice water is what's really helping my hair grow in. I'll be glad when this side go ahead and catch up with this side so I can wear my hair out. That may not happen until by spring. Haven't even put the conditioner in yet, so my curls are popping. Conditioner is here. Go ahead and put some of that in. Just use 4 pumps on each side. That's all I need. One plus about having low density hair, you don't use a lot of product. It's one pro, not many, but that's one. Whew. Let's use 2 pumps for the middle. Sure the ends are saturated. I want to get my hair to grow back. There's no magic, but there is regimens, routines, whatever you want to call them, that definitely will encourage your hair to grow more. Low manipulation is the main thing. Most of us naturals have hand to head syndrome because we're always looking for something new to try, some new style to do that we really don't need at that particular moment, but we just want to do it because it's new. I've graduated from that stage, and it's just due to my age. Like, I ain't got time for all that. But if a style doesn't work, I will definitely take it out. If I feel it's damaging to my hair more than it's supposed to be protecting it, it's coming out. I hope I'm not out of focus on this thing. Still learning how to use it. I need an autofocus lens. This is an older camera and doesn't have one, so I gotta do it myself. Or it may have one and I may just not know how to use it. If I wore it like this, like with product in it, it'll be alright, but it's a little soft, it's missing here. Could get it shaped up and just wear it, but we're gonna work on it. Let this sit and see how the aloe vera did on my hair. Probably incorporate that more. I didn't rice water this time, if you noticed, because I did the aloe vera. But I'm going to try to incorporate the 2 somehow because I really like my rice water. I will do that on next wash, definitely. It's the only time I haven't done it since May when I washed my hair. So let's see what we get when I blow dry. No product. Just washed out the conditioner. I don't want to freeze anything up. What I'm going to do is put more of this into my hair. Well, I should say my scalp. And I got this from Burlington. I don't know if I mentioned or not. I'm not going to use any cream. So I want to see how this actually look. This side is really fruitful. Look at that definition right here in the front. Like this, that. All right.